I'm going to show you how to download Binance transaction history. It's easier to do it on the web version using a computer. First, you want to head to Binance.com and then sign into your account. Now, all you need to do is click on the Assets drop down here and then choose Overview. Now you can scroll down and you should find the recent transactions here. Click on the More button on the right side, and this should open up the history. Make sure it's set to Assets History here, and then you can specify the type if you want a specific transaction. Also, you can specify the time, past week, past month, or past 3 months, and it should bring up all the transactions. Now, all you need to do to download them is click on the button here on the top right, and then choose Export Transaction Records. You can also export deposit, withdrawal, or referral records. I'm going to click on the first one for the transaction. Make sure to select all account and all coins, or you can choose a specific coin if you want to. And the period, for example, last 3 months. And then click on the generate button. And this should generate an export right here. Just wait for it because it takes a while to generate it. Also, you can only generate 15 times per month, as you can see the limit here. Now, once it's ready, you should simply be able to click on the download button and it should download a file for you. And once the statement is ready, they should send you an SMS, email, or other notifications to download it within 7 days. And the link will expire after that, after 1 week. You can also read the note here that it contains transactions up till yesterday and it's using UTC +0 time zone. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.